Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to invite friends in Melon Playground. So first of all, you can see we are on our Melon Playground, and here we are going to invite our friends to play with together. So first of all, there is some option we need to be follow, like the task. First of all, you need to be update the game, like ensure you have the latest version of Melon Playground installed in your computer. Second will be access the gift system. So first of all, you need to be launch the game and navigate to the gift section. So here you can see we have various options over here. So we need to find out the I can say that will be gift section. Then you need to be from main menu. This feature was introduced in version 26 2025, so allowing players to invite friends and earn in-game rewards. So the version totally depend on, and second, or I can say that the third step will be invite friends. Within this gift section, select the option to invite friends. So again, if you have option over that place gift section, then you are allowed to invite your friends. So share your unique referral code or link with your friends. So this way you also allowed to add your friends over your game. Second, I can say when your friend use referral to join the game, both of you may receive in-game gift or rewards. So in this way you are allowed to do it. I hope you understand how you can do it. Right now my version is not the latest one, that's why I am not allowed to do it whatever I want. So if you think this video is really informative, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.